Alibaba stocks. So Alibaba trading at the moment at $75 levels, basically 3% up on April 24th. So it's been a while since we have looked at this name. So let's have a look at this name. So can the stock go up from here another 20, 30, 40% by the end of 2024? So let's have a look at this stock. So right here, right now, you can see since the beginning of the year, which was sitting at around 77-ish, stock has done nothing. Okay, so basically, you can say it's a dead money for the past 5 months or so. Okay, 4 months. So they have earnings coming up pretty soon, May 16th, I believe. But what I'm watching in terms of the price action. So I'm going to be switching this chart to a weekly chart, and you can see right here, right now, that this stock could be possibly, again, I'm purely speculating and just by looking at the price action, that it could be forming some sort of a bottom ultra short term if earnings take this stock back above this resistance of this year. So the yearly resistance right here, right now for this year of 2024, 78. It has not traded. It has not stayed above this level. So as soon as it goes above this level, year to date, it will be positive. So yes, definitely underperforming many tech stocks, but this is my first level of resistance to watch going forward. And then 200-day moving average, which is 80-ish at the moment. That's where I would consider to possibly swing this name, considering the premiums are very cheap for long-term leaps. My target from there would be 87.50. That's the next level resistance. And then $100 level is another resistance. And for my basically thesis, so basically that's my view. Ideally, I would want to see in summer some sort of let's take a look at the bonds. So bonds, at least like bond yields in US drop significantly. So I don't want them to be staying high, so people have a little bit more appetite to go on to like risky assets. Right now, a lot of people happy with their like 4.5, 5, whatever the percent they're getting. So that's number one. Number two would be them reporting good earnings. I don't know if I have shown you guys this chart where last time they reported earnings that they announced that they're buying back shares, and you can see since 2021 their outstanding shares have gone significantly down. So they have bought back almost like 2.5 billion plus shares in that 2-year window where the stock has been coming down. So this is Alibaba's performance ever since it went public. You can see first year after going public, 21% decline, 8% positive, 96% gain, 2017, 2018, 20% decline, 2019, 54%. But these last 3 years, 2021, 50% decline almost, 2022, 25%. And so far, 2023, which was over 12% decline. So 3 consecutive years of a decline, and 4th year right here, right now. Well, it's let me switch to yearly chart right here. You can see that we are slightly negative. We're not significantly negative, but we're sitting at the support level of 2015, 2016 levels. So this is a yearly support level. This region of anywhere from $70 and up, you can call, but all-time lows $57 for this stock. Yes, it can definitely go down, but look at the revenue for. I was just browsing through like stocks, and this name on the radar for sure considering how beaten down. And again, I know entire of their market. So if I'm calling that Alibaba is going to go higher, it's basically me assuming that entire Chinese assets are going to go up, because their market has been underperforming as well for the last 3 years. So revenue has gone up significantly, share buybacks. So sort of I'm expecting at least they beat earnings and stock gets back above its 200-day moving average at least this summer for it to push higher. So at the moment, yes, stock is in a downtrend. You can see this channel where it's, I mean, even this year, if you take a look at it, it's been just downtrend channel. Even though it hasn't done much, it's almost flat. If earnings are not good and it cracks down below all the way to test this year's lows, it would be buying opportunity, in my opinion, again. So if earnings, if the market is not going to like the earnings and it flushes down, even better opportunity, in my opinion. I'll be considering to possibly trade it as soon as my targets hit. So above $80, I'm interested, and I'm interested if it flushes below this $66 level, basically. Second thing I forgot to mention in the beginning of the video, except for the bond yields going basically significantly down, is basically geopolitical stuff, right? So that China-Taiwan thing has to chill in order for people to have an appetite for these assets. So basically, these are the levels I'm watching for Alibaba. Very straightforward. I'm not looking anything crazy. I think that 3 years probability of this stock being down 4 consecutive years. Well, I would take the other side of the coin. I would risk to take it long as soon as it forms some sort of an uptrend, and consider it to basically trade it. Again, I'm not saying that I'm adding it to a portfolio or anything like that. Consider it to trade it as soon as some sort of a trend forms to the upside. But watching this name for possible upside move throughout the summer. I'm just talking about this name since I haven't covered it, and some people were curious what has changed. Nothing has changed so far. So waiting for the earnings. We'll see what they report, and we'll go from there. So that's the video. That's the update for Alibaba. Thanks for watching, and these videos for purely educational and entertainment purposes. Take care. Peace.